In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to create amazing social media posts in Canva. Yes, you can create social media posts using Canva. As you can see here, I am on the home page, and I'm going to switch over to the menu here on the top where you have these icons, and we're going to select where it says social media. So click on that. There we go. Now you are going to see all these social media posts. Right on the top, you have a menu that shows you Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Okay, now there's obviously way more options than what you're seeing here. It's just showing you the popular ones that a lot of people use. So here you can start by editing a picture, right? It doesn't even matter if you're posting it for Instagram, Facebook, or whatever social media platform you're posting it on. But as you move on here, you're gonna see some of these popular ones are actually linked to a specific social media platform. The first one here is an Instagram post. This is going to be a square post, right, which is 1080 by 1080p. Now you also have a Facebook post. This is going to be a landscape post, right, 940 by 788. Now you also have an Instagram story, 1080 by 1920, right? These are already pre-made for you or pre-measured for you in terms of the dimensions that the social media platform is going to allow. You also have Facebook cover. You also have Instagram reel, right? You have TikTok video. You have YouTube thumbnails. You have YouTube intros. You have animated social media. You have so many things. YouTube banner, Twitter post, right? You have so many things you can do here. Let's go down here. I'm gonna show you another a place here where you can see more of this. So you can categorize this by essentially Instagram. These are all gonna be the templates that are available for Instagram. You also have Facebook. These are gonna be the templates that are available for Facebook, LinkedIn, right? And as you can see, if we go deeper into Instagram posts, you can see that on here as well. Facebook posts, Instagram stories, WhatsApp statuses, Facebook covers, right? Pretty cool stuff here. So if I selected something like a Twitter post, all right, so click on that. This is where you are going to be able to edit, and add anything you want to add to your post. Let's do something that is more niche here. Let's do an Instagram post, right? Let's go to Instagram story. Sorry, so if I click on that, you're gonna see this is already in that dimension of the Instagram story. Now you can add templates here that you would like. So if I was gonna, let's add something with let's do music, right? We can search for music. Let's go ahead and click that. This is going to be added to my post here. Now these templates, you can customize them. Obviously, if you wanted to change the album cover here, you can do that. You can change the song, you can change all of these icons here. If you want to add more icons here, I'm going to say, let's go to elements. I'm going to go ahead and say play button, something like that, right? You can see that you can add elements on here. So if I wanted to add this, I can add this on here. Maybe I want to replace the one that's down here already. I can delete that, right? I'm going to delete that as well, and I can replace it with this, right? Replace with that, kind of like that. Let's try to find a good place to put it. There you go. So you can put, let's say something like that, right? If you want to add that on here. So this is where you are going to be able to find all the things you need to add to your to edit your post here. So you can go over to text. If you want to add text on here, you can add all types of things on this. But the good thing is these things are already measured for you in terms of the dimensions that are related to whatever size you pick, right, or social media platform you pick. Now once you're done, go ahead and hit share, and you want to go over to here where you do have the ability to post straight to Instagram by hitting publish. It's going to ask you to log in, obviously, so you can post to your Instagram. Or if you want to download this, you can hit download, and you are going to be able to download the PNG version of this. Now if we go back to our homepage here, let's say we wanted to pick something like one of the cool things, you can create YouTube thumbnails from here as well, right? So if I had my YouTube thumbnail, so you can see you can add different templates here that you have, just like we did with that post. With this, you can also export as a PDF, as a PNG, and you can hit download here, right? Same thing for something like, let's see here, something like, let's go to the beginning. Let's do a Facebook post, right? Kind of like that. You are going to see that measurement again. And if you're going to add a template here. Same thing, you are going to be able to edit this. You can add videos, you can add all types of things in your post here. Once you're ready, go to share. And now we also have the ability to post this to our Facebook page by connecting our Facebook page. It's going to ask you to log in. You can even schedule posts, right? And if you want, you can download this as well. Okay, this works with videos. If you want to add videos in here, you are going to be able to do that. If you want this to have a video on here, go ahead and add that somewhere. And you can play the video. If you want to share this, if you go to downloads, you can see that it changes the file type to MP4, which is the suggested download setting for videos. Now let's go back to our home page here. As you can see, there's so many things here. You also have the ability to set up content planner. I'm going to cover this in different lessons. You also have the ability to design and resize for any platform that you want. It doesn't limit it to just these platforms here. You do have the ability to create your own custom sizes. Okay, now that is pretty much it for this lesson. I will see you guys on the next one.